Hello and welcome to Back Bedroom Art. One of my Christmas presents was this awesome cuckoo clock. So I thought, let's make it. So there is a QR code you can scan. So if you want to do it yourself, and you can have a little look. But yeah, look how impressive that is. And it does go cuckoo cuckoo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build it sort of like a time-lapse thing. And you'll see how it turns out. So if you're thinking of getting something like this for a loved one as a present, well, let's find out how amazing it is. Let's find out how easy to put together as well. So I'll let you know at the end what I think of it. And I'm not sponsored by Rock or whatever, however you pronounce that name. I just love doing them for the fun of it. So this is how I'm celebrating the new year. I'm building this awesome cuckoo clock. I'm such a nerd. But yeah, 2026. I hope you have a good one.